Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF. Before we begin, if you enjoy stories that connect history, money, and the quiet power of objects that have passed through countless hands, take a moment right now to subscribe to the channel. Your support helps keep these deep, thoughtful stories alive, and it ensures you never miss a video that might change the way you look at the coins already resting in your pocket or drawer. Today, I want you to slow down with me. Take a breath. Imagine holding a coin that feels ordinary at first glance, something you might have received in change, something that looks familiar, almost forgettable. Yet this small round piece of metal carries a story far bigger than its size. This is not just about currency. This is about time, history, and the unexpected value hidden in plain sight. We are talking about the 2 Rand coin from South Africa, dated 2004. A coin many people have seen, some have spent, and very few have truly understood that if you are between the ages of 55 and 65, this story may touch you in a special way. You have lived through change. You have seen nations transform, systems evolve, and values shift. Coins like this one are silent witnesses to those changes. They don't shout. They don't demand attention. They wait patiently for someone to look closely enough. The year 2004 was not just another year on the calendar. In South Africa, it was a time of reflection and rebuilding. A decade had passed since the end of apartheid, and the country was shaping a new identity. The currency of a nation often reflects its soul, and the coins minted during this period carry symbols of unity, strength, and forward movement. The 2 Rand coin was part of this quiet but powerful message. When you hold the 2 Rand 2004 coin in your hand, the first thing you may notice is its solid feel. It is not flashy. It does not sparkle like gold or shout importance like a commemorative medal. But there is dignity in its weight, in its balanced design. This is a coin made to be used, to circulate among ordinary people buying bread, fuel, newspapers, and daily necessities. And that is exactly what makes it special. Coins that are meant for everyday use often carry the deepest stories. They pass through thousands of hands. They travel across cities, towns, and villages. They sit in pockets next to keys and old receipts. They are forgotten, remembered, and forgotten again. Yet each scratch, each tiny mark, is a chapter in a long journey. The 2 Rand coin of 2004 was struck during a period when South Africa was asserting itself on the global stage while also addressing internal challenges. The economy was stabilizing, infrastructure was expanding, and a new generation was stepping into adulthood. This coin became part of that transition. It was there during conversations at kitchen tables, during long drives, during moments of hope and uncertainty. Now let us talk about design, not in technical terms, but in human terms. The imagery on this coin is not random. Every line, every curve, every symbol was chosen deliberately. It reflects authority, continuity, and national pride. For someone who has lived long enough to appreciate symbolism, this matters. Coins are not just tools of trade. They are messages cast in metal. Many people overlook coins like this because they assume value must always look rare or old. They believe only ancient coins, or those made of precious metals, can be worth something extraordinary. But history has shown us time and again that value does not always follow age or material alone. Sometimes, value is born from circumstance, from rarity hidden beneath mass production, from errors, variations, and stories that only become clear years later, as years passed. Most 2 Rand 2004 coins continued their quiet lives. They were spent, collected, lost, and melted down. But a very small number followed a different path. These coins, whether due to unique minting characteristics, exceptional preservation, or specific production details, began to stand apart. At first, only specialists noticed. Then collectors started to whisper. Then the whispers grew louder. For a man who has spent decades watching markets rise and fall, this pattern may feel familiar. It is the same pattern seen in property, art, classic cars, and even stocks. Something ordinary becomes extraordinary not overnight, but through time, patience, and understanding. What makes this coin particularly fascinating is not just what it is, but when it appeared. Coins minted during periods of transition often carry emotional weight. They become symbols of a turning point. For South Africa, the early 2000s represented a bridge between past struggles and future ambitions. The 2 rand coin from 2004 stands right on that bridge. Collectors value more than metal. They value stories. They value context. They value the feeling of holding a piece of history that connects them to a specific moment in time. This is why some coins, even modern ones, can command astonishing attention when the right factors align. There is also the matter of scarcity, which does not always mean low mintage numbers. Sometimes scarcity comes from survival. How many of these coins remain in pristine condition today? How many were preserved instead of spent? How many avoided damage, corrosion, or loss? As the years pass, the number of well-preserved examples naturally decreases. This silent reduction increases desirability. For viewers in their later years, there's a certain satisfaction in understanding these nuances. You know that true value is often invisible at first. You have learned, through experience, that patience can turn modest beginnings into significant outcomes. This coin speaks to that wisdom. Imagine a man in 2004 receiving this coin as change. He might have slipped it into his pocket without a second thought. Years later, that same coin could be sitting in a small box, forgotten, until one day someone looks at it differently. That moment of realization is powerful. It reminds us that value can sit quietly beside us for years without announcing itself. The 2 rand coin also represents continuity. It connects generations. A father may have used it. A son may have inherited it unknowingly. A grandson may one day discover its significance. Coins are among the few objects that naturally pass through multiple generations without being deliberately preserved. They are democratic pieces of history, accessible to all that AS men who have seen life cycles. Many of you understand the importance of legacy. You understand the meaning of leaving something behind, even something small. A coin like this can become a talking point, a lesson, a memory passed from one generation to the next. Now let us consider the psychology of collecting. Collectors are not driven only by money. They're driven by curiosity, by the thrill of discovery, by the satisfaction of understanding something deeply. When a coin like the 2 rand 2004 begins to attract attention, it is because it checks many of these boxes. It is familiar yet mysterious, modern yet historical, simple yet layered. There is also trust in metal. Unlike digital numbers on a screen, a coin is tangible. You can hold it. You can feel its edges. You can weigh it in your hand. For many men who grew up before the digital age fully took over, this tangibility matters. It feels real. It feels honest. Over time, stories began to circulate about exceptional examples of this coin. Discussions among collectors highlighted subtle differences, production details, and preservation levels that set certain pieces apart. These conversations were not loud. They happened quietly among those who knew where to look and what questions to ask. This is often how significant value is born, not through hype, but through careful observation and shared knowledge. Those who rush often miss it. Those who wait often find it. As we move closer to the end of this story, I want you to think about something personal. Think about the objects you have owned for years. Tools, watches, books, coins. How many of them have stories you have never fully explored? How many might carry more significance than you realize? The 2 Rand 2004 coin teaches us a lesson that goes beyond collecting. It teaches us to look again at what we think we already know. It reminds us that age alone does not define importance. Context does. Condition does. History does. For men who value experience over noise, substance over flash, this coin is a perfect example of quiet power. It does not demand attention. It earns it. And now, as promised, we come to the part that surprises many people. After years of careful evaluation, collector interest, and market attention focused on the rarest and most exceptional examples, this coin has reached a valuation that few would have imagined possible when it first entered circulation. The 2 Rand 2004 South Africa coin, under the right conditions and in its most extraordinary form, has been valued at $50 million. $50 million. Not because it shouts wealth, but because it whispers history, rarity, and significance to those who understand its language.